Kids, welcome to our channel, Chroma Kids Creation. Kids, today we are drawing Ninja Hattori and we know about Ninja Hattori tricks. Ninja Hattori is a fun and adventurous cartoon show for kids and toddlers. It follows the exciting life of Hattori, a young ninja who helps his friend Kenichi navigate through everyday challenges. With his ninja skills and clever tricks, Hattori protects Kenichi from along with his friend Shinzu and Shishimaru. Hattori embark on thrilling adventures filled with laughter and valuable life lessons. Kids love watching Hattori because it's full of action, friendship, and excitement.